What's up guys, so after the successful deep dish pizza, I'm sharing the best pizza fries with you guys. It's gonna be having cheese, bell peppers, pepperoni, onion, and it's gonna be wonderful. So let's go straight into the video. So here I have 3 golden potatoes. So as you all know, you have to cut the potatoes to make the fries. So you cut the potato, it's gonna be like thick fries. So we all know how to cut the potatoes, right? Fries used to be my favorite dish when I was a kid, and still I love the fries. So here guys, we will fry our potato chips, or you can say fries, until they are golden brown. So for the fries, it's usually a visual game. When the potatoes turn golden brown, it's usually they are done. So that's how we're gonna do it. Once the potatoes are fried, then we will move towards these vegetables, and we will fry these vegetables and some pepperoni with that. So frying the fries on the high flame makes the fries more crispy. So whenever you guys want to make the fries crispy, fry it on the high flame. Okay, so I'm doing the second batch. The sizzle. Hot oil sizzle. It's a very easy, quick recipe. You can make it for your kids, or if you guys are having a party, you can make this recipe. Pizza fries recipe. At this point, the fries are done. Now we are melting our mozzarella cheese. So in the second pan, we will add our capsicum, bell pepper. You can add mushrooms, but I'm using the capsicum and the onion as a topping. And you can fry these guys both together. It's fine. We will just saute this for like 5 minutes. Alright, so as you see, our vegetables are soft, sauteed. We will add these vegetables right on top of our fries. Wonderfully done. Now our roasted cheese is ready, and we will add the cheese right on top. Here is our cheese. You can use this pot in the fries. You can make small pieces and you can add that, but I'm not putting this. This way it looks more healthy. So now guys, we will add the pepperoni. So for the pepperoni, we will fry the pepperoni first. That's enough. So for the pepperoni, flip it on the medium flame like after 5 minutes, and after 5 minutes it will be ready. It's like you have to make sure it's kind of roasted. So on a medium flame it will be perfectly roasted. And we don't need many, we just need to dress our pizza fries to make it world class pizza fries. So here friends, I'm adding some salt right on top. It will help for our pizza fries to pop up the whole flavor. Add some garlic powder right on top. As you can see, the pepperoni, it's roasted now. You guys see those bubbles? So it means it's done. So here, adding a pinch of black pepper, and I'm using some parsley flakes. And here you go guys, it's beautifully done. The perfect pizza fries is ready. Okay, so the moment of truth. Okay, I want the cheese, I want the pepperoni. Wow, the cheese is like yum. It's a must try, guys. This is one bite. Beautiful done, guys. The garlic powder, the salt, the parsley, and you saw the pepper, the capsicum, the onion. When they blend in, they give the nice perfect flavor. Anyway, guys, make this pizza fries, and I will see you guys on the next video. Until then, take care of yourself, subscribe the channel and like the video. Bye for now.